Morning Year 10. We're carrying on today with what we did yesterday with using the standard method for solving equations. So we're having a look at this example here. 5 over x plus 10 is equal to 10. And I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at solving that on your whiteboard, remembering to expand any brackets first, then multiply by the denominators, and then group your unknowns together. Good luck! So here we are with the final solution, taking note of the fact that I've started off by timesing by my denominator, so that's step number 2. Then I've been grouping my unknowns together there, step number 3, and that I've made a really clear point of underlining my final answer. Okay, on to example number 2. So here you can either go for Reihand's technique of cross multiplying, or you can do it step by step, multiplying by x and then by x plus 1. Pause the video and have a go at this now. Back with the final solution then, so I've times by x plus 1, and that's multiplied by the 3, and I've times by x, and that's multiplied by the 5. Remember to expand the brackets at this stage. You might occasionally need to go back and do step 1 after step 2 if ever you have got a multiplier of a denominator which is more than one number. Then we're going to simplify, grouping together our unknowns and a final underline on our solution. Okay, next two are getting a little bit tougher. So this time we've got brackets, we've got denominators, and we've got unknowns on both sides. So give this one a shot on your whiteboards, and then when you've had a go, unpause the video and we'll look at the final solution. Here we go then. We started by expanding any brackets there, so that's step number 1, timesing by 3 on the left hand side and timesing by 2 on the right hand side. Then we're trying to get rid of our denominators, so our denominator here is 4, we're going to times everything by 4. Then we're up to collecting our unknowns onto one side, and finally we're going to divide by 13 to give us our final answer of 14 over 13, or if you've turned it into a mixed number, 1 and 1/13. Can you pause the video now and get this down as a written example 1 in your books for today? Okay, this is the last one which you're going to try on your whiteboards, and this time I'd like you to do it totally independently, so no collaborating on your table this time. Pause the video and try it on your whiteboard. There we are with the solution for the final equation, noticing that you need to times by both denominators, but the order in which you do that isn't a problem. You could have times by 5 first if you wanted to in step number 2. Grouping all our unknowns together on one side is step number 3 here, and then our final simplification to get minus 6 over 19. Leave this one up on the board just in case you'd like to copy it down, but if not, you can start moving on to the code breaking activity, which is next.